In this video we can implement the pull action. So we have a list like Twitter, and pulling down we can download other information. In this case we example I show how to download a list of a beer. But to start implementing simple things, so we have a navigation list. Navigation stack. In the navigation stack we add simply a list of a number, example 1 to 100, and we show text beer number, sorry, and what happens? I'm starting making some mistake. Yes, it's correct. It's the one defined range, and let's see. We have 100 beer, 99 to be correct. Ho implemented a pull action. Simply calling refreshable. Now just to see something, print new beers. Okay, now see the graphic effect. We make it pull action. Nothing happened because we don't load no data. Try to create something more real. Go on this website, api.punkapi.com version 2 beers. So you have a long JSON with a lot of beer. We can call for pages, paginning, and the number of elements in the page. Example, we see how we download page with 30 elements, for example. So we start loading the first 30 beer. After that, pulling, we download the second page with other 30 beer, and so on. For this example, we get all the same information, the ID that we need to iterate in the list, and simply the name. So come back to code. We create the structure beer that implement the protocol codable. We have to decode the JSON and identifiable, because we need a unique identifier for the single beer. In this case, identifier is an int, and the name is a string. Until now, nothing special. Now define the state var beers, because we need an array of beers. beginning this array is empty, and we define at state variable the name of page. Start with 0 page. Okay. Now remove these. We are pairs instead of an beer, and we visualize the beer dot name. Now it's empty. Here we can call a function that allows us to download the beers. Simple get beers. After we define this function, and also when the application appear on a pair, we call also this function get beers. Okay, first consideration. When you call refreshable, we don't need to create a task to call remote action, because refreshable implementation is done to have a synchron code in this point. Instead, on appear no. So here we need to call a task to call async operation. Let me check and write a function to get beer. So punk get beers, an async function where go page +1, and after that we call create a URL where the URL from string we get URL from here. Just to simplify, and this with some parameter page equal page and per page equal 30. So we define our URL passing the page number and the element in the page. After that we reply the data equal try await URL session sorry should dot data from URL. Then let the good data bears downloaded equal try to JSON decoder not sorry the code what will the good an array of beer so dot self from data and it's okay. After that we want beers we want happen in the beginning of the vector beer the new beers equal beers downloaded plus beers. Now if there is some error, in this case we do nothing was special, only print error. Error missed the error. It's an optional. I suppose that you have an error. It's not your value URL, so I forced to get the value. I don't know. Never mind with this type of things. What happened? Now we can remove our get beers here and here. Wow, I think error, but it's correct. Here, what was the task we said before? And we have to call in a wait for this and a wait for this. Wow, it's running. If you can see this, but if I go see any state, and wow, it's working. And that's all. So you can implement the pull action. Just remember that in the fishable you don't need to apply task because the fishable is waiting for an async operation. Instead, don't appear no the only things that you have to consider for this.